Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This is Ayan this side. Today the question is red search insert position. It is a very easy question. Okay, so for example, the question is so that given a sorted array of distinct integer and a target value, return the index if the target is found. If not, return the index where insert in other. Like you must return the algorithm like big of and log n. So big of on log n you means you want to solve this problem in binary search. You using binary search. Okay, so firstly you give the input like 1 3 5 6 and target is 5. So 5 number is available in this array, so you want to return index like 5 is available, so index is 0 1 2, so you want to return true. Okay, let's take another example like 1 3 5 6, or it is target is 2. Okay, so it is target is 2. Okay, so the 2 is like 0 and 1. I hope are you understand. Okay, so what is the concept? So I give the example like, okay, like firstly you see this. Yeah, so firstly you see this like 5. So 0, this is 0, this is 1, and this is 2. Okay, so 5 is available, so you want to return index. So index is 0 1 2. Okay, I hope are you understand the concept. Okay, so you're using the time algorithm within like a big of log n runtime complexity. You must write an algorithm with big of and log n. Okay, that's the problem. Okay, and the second input is that like 1 3 5 6, so the target is 2. So 2 is 1 2, so 0 and 1, the number is not available, so you want to return this index but in a range like 1 to 6. Okay, so the number in a range like 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, like this. Okay, so I write the program. Firstly I explain the concept, what is the concept of this program. Okay, like for example this is number 1357. So firstly this is start index is 0 and this is end. Start index is length minus 1. Okay, this is for length minus 1. Actually, I am using shortcut keywords, so don't worry about this. This is not valid. Actually, that time when I write the code, so it is valid key I'm using. Okay, that time actually only you understand the concept. Okay, so firstly length is minus 1. Start with 0 and length is n minus 1. So firstly this and this number I sum it like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Total is 4. Then I divided by 2. 2 to the 4, so 0 1 2, so the index of 5 is 2 and the divide of like 4 divided by 2, so answer will be 2. So firstly I check, okay, like 2 index is available is 5. Yeah, it is available, so I want to return 2. It is not, so I did not want to return 2. Okay, then after that I give the another example like uh, like this target is not a 5, this target will be like 3. Okay, so firstly I sum this number like 1 2 3 4 5. So like 5 divided by 2, so the output will be like 2. Because it is a integer, so its return types is integer like 2. So the index of the 2 like 0 1 2, so 5 is available, but 5 is not equal to 3, so I minus this midpoint. Okay, so I minus this point with the end is this, I assume this is start point and this is end point. Okay, so like this is start and this is end, so 5 is not equal to the target. Okay, so 5 is not equal to the target, so I check, like firstly you know that this array will be sorted. Okay, this array will be sorted, so don't worry about this. Like the largest number is end and the smaller number is first. Like start will be start with the minimum number and end will be end with the maximum number. Okay, I hope are you understand what I'm trying to try. Then after firstly you compare the mid number, like mid number is 5. So like is compare like 3, like it is not equal, so you compare like target is smaller or larger. So target is small as compared to 5. Okay, so you want to minus mid, like this is n, so n equals to mid minus 1. Like take another example, like target is 7. Okay, so firstly you want to use some this, then after that divided by 2, then you find the mid, and then after that you compare 5 is 7, who is larger, so you found it 7 is large. Okay, then after that you do not go here, you go this side. So mid plus 1 start equals to mid plus 1, then you compare it. Okay, I hope are you understand. Don't worry about this, you did not understand, I write the code that time, are you understand what I'm saying to try. Okay, so I write this code. Okay, give me a minute actually. Okay, okay, that's enough. Okay, yeah. So firstly integer, start will, it will be 0, and the end is num dot length minus 1. Okay, so num dot length minus 1. Okay, so I start like for example, like I'm using while loop, so if the condition like start will be 0. Okay, okay, just a minute, actually I rough it. Okay, I change the color, so okay, this is good. Okay, so the start is like 0, and the end is length minus 1. So firstly I found the mid, then after that I check it the target is increase or decrease, I compared this, so that's why. So firstly like target is smaller to the mid, so I want to come this side, and it is not, so I want to come this side. Okay, so firstly like what is the while loop condition is like smaller the and it is greater compared to smaller. So I use this condition, like this is true, so my while loop condition is work properly. Okay, so like this. Okay, so firstly I wanna found the mid. Okay, so like start plus and divided by 2. Okay, so firstly like I got it the mid, like the mid it is 5. So I compare the mid is equal to target, it is equal, so I want to return mid. The mid number is 2, like 0 1 2. Okay, so yeah, so firstly I check if like num mid. Okay, num mid equal, it is target, yeah, it is true. So I want to return mid means it is an index. Okay, don't confuse, it is the index, like for I give the example, like don't confuse about that. Yeah, like firstly I like 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 is divided by 2, so I got it the index 2. Okay, the 2 is like this is 0, and this is 1, and this is 2, so this is 5. Okay, so this is index, so it is equal, so it will be written true. This condition is not run, like it is not equal, so nums meet, I compare like nums meet is greater than target. Like I give the example also in whiteboard. Yeah, like I rough it. Okay, like this is 5. Like I give the example, like this is 3. Okay, so firstly like this is num mid and this is target, so it is greater, like 5 is greater 3. Yeah, it is greater, so I want to go here mid minus 1. So it will be and and it, and run this way. Okay, and go this way. So and equals to mid minus 1. Okay, it is not, so start go mid plus 1. Okay, then after that return start. Okay, so I run this. Yeah, I got it from what is the problem, like integer. Okay, nums dot length. Okay, that is it's wrong, it is not using, it's only using on string. Okay, I again run this code. I hope not an issue in this code. Yeah, that's good. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much. I hope this video is really helpful for you. Yeah, the runtime is 0 MB per second. It is faster 100% because I am using binary search. It is a very important topic because the time complexity of this big O of log n. Okay,